Hi, everybody. It's Katie, the messy gardener, the real messy gardener, here with today's quick gardening tip. Today's gardening tip is what I consider the most important tool that you could have in your toolbox as a gardener, and that is the tool of observation. Using these old eyes, pay attention to how your light falls in your yard. Pay attention to how much water things get or how much water is available, how much rain you get. You could pay attention to what each seed looks like. Remember, I think I've told you guys to go ahead and get a seed packet of a pet set of seeds you would like and open them up and look at those seeds. See what they feel like, see what they look like, what's their texture, what's their mass, how do they feel when you hold them together. Are they soft? Are they hard? Same thing with a plant. What does the new growth of your plant look like? What does your plant look like when it's not feeling well? Observation. So that is the best tool that a gardener can have in his or her toolbox, is the power of observation. Pay attention to what's going on in your natural environment. It'll pay a lot more dividends than just blindly going out and sticking something in the dirt. All right, this is Katie, the real messy gardener, coming at you today with today's gardening tip from the Pacific Northwest, where it's still gray. But we're on the way down into spring, so I'm happy. All right, guys, you have a good rest of your day. Happy gardening and see you soon.